Good evening. Today we are going to discuss how to find ICF by prime factorization method, by PF method. By PF method. Okay. So we have 48, 32 and 16. We can find it by two methods. First we can combine them in single bracket and solve them. So we can solve them. Remember one thing, these all numbers 48, 32 and 16 must have to divide by a single number. So we will start with smaller number. We can divide by 2. 2 48s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 16s are 32. 2 8s are 60. Then we will again divide them because all numbers are divisible by 2. 2 12s are, 2 8s are and 2 4s are. Then they are also divisible. 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. Then they are also be divisible by 2. 2 3s are, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. Now from this point they are divisible by 3 and 2. We will leave them here for ACF. We will divide until a single number divide the whole numbers 48, 32 and 16. We will skip this here. So our numbers are, our ACF is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We will multiply 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 is 16. Our ACF is 16. This is our first method. Second method is we can make prime factors separately, like 48, 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are and 3 1s are. Okay, so 48 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then we have 32. Factor of 32 will be 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2, 2 1. So 38 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, then we have 16. 2 8s, 2 4, 2 2s and 2 1s. So 16 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. These are prime factors of 48, 32 and 16. First method is we will put them all together and solve them until they are divisible by a single number. And second method is we can take prime factors separately and write them in this form. Then we have to make pairs. We have to make pairs. Here is 2's pair, then 2's pair, then 2's pair and then 2 is pair. Pair in between all these three numbers. So here is, we will write the pair single time. So we will write this pair single time, 2, this pair single time into 2, this pair single time and this pair single time. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2 is 16. So answer is same in all cases. I will write the steps in my description of these videos. Kindly like, subscribe and share my channel with other friends. And in comments you can also suggest me any topic you want to study. Thank you.